In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Popmart. We're going to walk through how to use Google to find Popmart and quickly reach their support team through the site's chat. This is simple, but a few small details can make the process smoother, so I'll point those out along the way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Popmart and review the results. Look for the official Popmart website that matches your country or region, as regional sites can offer location-specific help and policies. If you see sponsored results at the top, scroll past them until you find the official listing. Once you're confident you found the right one, click through to open the site. When the Popmart homepage loads, look for a small headset icon. This icon usually represents help or customer support. It's commonly found near the top corner of the page or floating along the edge as a quick access button. Clicking it is the fastest way to open the support options without digging through menus. After you click the headset, keep an eye on the bottom left corner of your screen. A chat box should appear there, either as a small bubble or a panel that slides up. Give it a moment to load, especially if this is your first visit or if you need to accept cookies. If you're using an ad blocker or strict privacy settings, the chat might be delayed. Allowing the site to load necessary scripts can help. On mobile, the chat may show up as a pop-up at the bottom or a full screen panel. Inside the chat, type a clear request for customer service. You can simply write customer service or briefly describe your issue, like asking about an order, shipping, returns, or product availability. If a bot greets you first, use prompts such as talk to an agent or customer service to be routed to a person when available. It helps to have your order number and basic details ready, but avoid sharing sensitive information like full payment details or passwords. If the chat asks for your email to follow up, provide only what's necessary, and keep your messages concise and polite for faster assistance. That's it. Search for Popmart on Google, click the headset icon on the site, look to the bottom left for the chat, and ask for customer service. Save the chat transcript if you need a record of the conversation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the support you need quickly and confidently.